Hello, hello, good morning to you, especially good Monday morning to you. I hope that you had a pleasant weekend. You know what I'm going to say, regular viewers, whether or not you were cleaning your house, getting ready for the week ahead, maybe just doing nothing and watching Netflix. As long as you got a couple of hours to yourself to do something that you want to do, remember you need to recharge that little battery in your head, like the iPhone battery, right? Who am I? I am Kitty Andrews with declutterthebrain.com, empowering my fellow neurodivergents of all flavors to simplify their lives, get grounded, and focus on the one thing that will skyrocket their daily productivity. Want to learn more about how we do such wonderful things? Just hold that one thought. That's right, Michael, one thought, and we will give you your next one step to take in about 4 minutes from now. This week's topic is simplifying your kids' spaces. Now, you could call that decluttering your children as well. A colleague of mine actually said, yeah, declutter my kids. I never really liked that one anyway. Oh, ouch. Okay, so why do you want to simplify your kids' spaces? Or it could be, if you're a grandparent, you could be helping your child simplify their kids' spaces because they can't take it anymore anyway. Why do you want to do that? Well, number one, to save, let's pretend you're a parent here. To save your sanity of trying to find anything in their place, and also to teach them, but I think more importantly, teach them lifelong habits so that they are not voted messiest dorm in the university in about 10 years from now. Okay, yeah, you don't want that. All right, so there are a few little ground rules that you want to address, and we'll get those out of the way today, and we'll probably address them through the week. Number one, please don't try to do it all in one day. Okay, don't. It's going to take about a month in my experience. All right. Next, expect pushback. Kids don't like change. All right, they like things the way it's structured, the way they're used to it. So you may want to say something like, "We're going to give your play space a makeover." Ooh, so you can easily see your toys and play with them in new ways. Oh, okay, all right. And you also may want to convince a friend to tackle their kids' rooms and play things at the same time as you're doing it. And then you can text each other pictures, and it's like having a buddy system. So I went through that really fast, so I'm going to do it again, and we will touch on more. We'll go into it in more detail through the week. Can you believe it's June 30th already? Good heavens to Betsy. Okay, so first, remember, do not try to do it all in one day. Yeah, we can, yeah, or even in a weekend. You could do a fast simplifying over the weekend, but really to do it properly, expect it to take about a month, okay? And expect some pushback. They're going to resist the idea because they've gotten used to their things, right? They like their things. Thank you very much. So if you say it to them, you're the salesperson here. Hey, we're going to give your space a makeover so that you can be, have more fun with it. Oh, okay. And please, a buddy system of some sort. Another parent who has the same problem with her kids' rooms, just make a game of it. The more you can gamify this upcoming process, the more success you'll have, more fun you'll have. Okie dokie, tomorrow we say where to start. Little Susie, where to start, right, Michael? And hello to Susan. Good morning, Susan. All right. Text the number down below for your guest pass to our ADHD-CONNECT meeting it happens on Wednesday. It's just the tip of the iceberg of our one-on-one coaching within a group program. We have a lot of fun and we get a lot done. One lady cleared off a whole year's worth of stuff in 1 month, and I bet you can too. Okie dokie, have a terrific day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.